Hi, I'm Yanni from jobyanni.com, teaching you how to make money online and live the laptop lifestyle. Do you like hot paying traffic sources? You like to pay for the traffic? I will give you three hot traffic sources where you have to pay for clicks. So let's go to the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel and to go to jobyanni.com in order to get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online. jobyanni.com. You see the link in the description. So let's go to the video.
The site I'm looking at right now is advertising.com, and this is a great paid traffic source, mainly because it lets you advertise on AOL websites such as AOL, MapQuest, AOL Music, Huffington Post, web blogs, etc. Now, how much does it cost to advertise through this network? You will need a minimum budget of $100 per day, and a minimum cost per click is around 50 cents or around 25 cents CPM, meaning cost per thousand impressions. Now, why should you use this? Well, of course, because there's a huge amount of traffic available, as you can advertise on the most popular sites, and they also have a great optimizing engine. The site that I'm on right now is called buyads.com, and this is a self-serve advertising network which allows you to advertise on a variety of websites. And the cost to advertise on this network, it actually varies from site to site, depending on the site that you choose to advertise on from this network. And the reason you should, what's a good reason to advertise on this network is that you can actually discover sites that you can advertise on, different sites that you never thought of. And a tip on how to succeed with this traffic source is to try to contact the website owners to negotiate a deal on their prices. Okay, so this site that I'm looking at is sitescout.com, and it's actually a real-time bidding platform, and it's the first and largest self-serve advertising platform for buying online banner ad space in real time. Just looking at the homepage here, you can also buy mobile ads, rich media ads, and retargeting ads, and it's all in real time within minutes. Now, how much does it cost? It costs anywhere from 4 cents to $4 per CPM. CPM meaning cost per thousand impressions. Now, why should you use this traffic source? Well, basically, it offers an excellent knowledge center where you can learn a lot about media buying. So this is a great place to start off when you're doing media buying. Now, in terms of how to succeed with this traffic source, my best advice to you would be to start with one site, and then have a low daily budget of say $4 or $6, so you can determine the CPM that you would get for your ads, and then you just scale up from there.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this course, and if you want to go more in depth on how to use this traffic to promote other people's products and get nice commissions, go to johnyanni.com and remember to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.